Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. Today, I'm responding to a Discord comment from Rightly Plays, who wanted to know how I was triggering my slap command. So, first, I'm going to play the
Hello and
slap
welcome to
commands,
Classic Soul Videos, Stream
and
Elements in
then
the house.
we'll talk about it.
Thank you for coming by and jamming with us.
That was one of my alerts that goes off when things show up. Anyway, here's the original slap command.
Oh, wow.
And it was the alternate.
Oh, wow.
And just because they ask for this,
Oh, wow.
alrighty then. So what we're going to do is show the code, since that was the question. So let me bring this window on over here and show the commands. Slap command. And this is the slap command, where it's telling you in here the user display name that gives you the capitalized name is doing Will Smith to target user display name, the name I typed in, and on and on. So that's the chat message. Then the command is running an action group. That's how the command is set up. So the slap action group. So now let's go over there to the action group and see what's going on. Okay, so where did I put this thing? Okay. So here is the slap. I'm first going out and getting the video. So the video is in the download. So this will be whatever address you have placed the video. Okay. Browse to your location where you stored this that you downloaded from the download in the Discord. And then you got 1920 by 1080. That's the size of the video. This is controlling the volume. So when you hear Chris Rock laughing, then you hear him say, "Oh wow," when he gets the shit slapped out of him. Then this is the volume for that. I have the duration for 5 seconds because the video only lasts 5 seconds. Will Smith turns around and he gets in that pose, then boom, it's gone. Okay, I have no effects going on, and I'm just using the simple centering just to have it come right out to the center of the screen and do the slap. Okay, 5 seconds long. All right. Now this is the image of the person that you're slapping. So it's exclamation point, slap, space, and then the name of the person. This is controlling the person right here. My screen's on the side. That's why I'm pointing this direction. Sorry. So this is the image. This is the target user avatar. So the target user is the name that appears after the command if there's a username in the command. So when I typed in slap rightly plays, he became the target username. And I set the size of that to 300 by 300. I could have made it bigger, but I made it just big enough so that when Will slaps his hand, it hits it just right. Okay, and then I positioned it so that it was in the right screen position. So now at 300 by 300, this is 47. Okay. And then this is 35. I'm using percentage. So if you're copying what I'm doing, image, default, and then target user avatar. And I'm making it 300 by 300. duration is only 2.5 seconds, because what happens is it takes 2.5 seconds for Will Smith to walk out on the screen and then do the slap, right? That's why when he does his slap, the avatar slides away, right? But really, the avatar would have slid away whether Will Smith would have came on the screen or not, because it's only there for 2.2 seconds, and then it slides out left. So it looks like as soon as he slaps it, it moves. Okay. So, and it was kind of funny trying to time that out and everything else, but that's how that works. So all I had to do first was I put this image on the screen long enough for Will to walk out on the screen and for him to do his slap, because I wanted to see just where it needed to be, right? And then I went back and timed it to see just how long it took him to go out there and do the slap, and that would be the time I'd have the avatar exit. So no other effects on that, and that's basically how it's done. This is an action group. I can put these two commands together. And the Trump one is similar, except that it just doesn't accept any other name. When you put T slap in, the Trump picture pops up, and then you slap Trump. So that's the difference between this one and the other one. But otherwise, everything else is pretty much the same. So both of these are overlay image. This one I just put the name in there so I know what it is. So video selected here, default. Wherever you save the WebM, you download it from the Discord. 1920 by 1080, volume all the way up, no looping, 5 seconds. This is on simple and in the center. And you want to do this exactly like this. I mean, you could hit percentage and put 50-50, but it won't be in the same position as this. Why? I don't know. But, do that. Simple in the center, and you're good. Then overlay image. This is the avatar that you're going to slap. Default again, target user avatar. All right. 300 by 300, 2.2 seconds with the exit animation slide out left. Okay. And then this is using percentage because he has to be positioned just right, And my numbers, the position from the left, 47, and from the top, 35. So, and that's basically all it is. So, this is the action command. This is the earlier version. This is just slapping myself right here. And the Trump slap, that's the Will Smith video, and that's the Trump video. There is no options to select an additional person. That's what the other one is for. So that's basically it. Go back to the commands for a second, and here's the slap command. This is where the chat message is created. That was when I was playing with Rightly Plays. Enjoy this. And then that's the rest of the chat message. And then the command, this is a command from here. This command right there. And then, you choose run command, action group, and then the action group you want to run. And take note that this wait until complete, you want that on. And what happens is any other commands that you would have in this list, nothing's going to happen until this finishes doing what it's doing, which basically means Will Smith walking out and the avatar being slapped. If you had any other commands after this, they will only execute after that happened because of this wait until complete. If you wanted some other stuff to happen along with this, uncheck the wait until complete. And that's pretty much it. That's the command. Put this back out here. Yeah. Okay. So that was the slap command. There's the Trump command there. That's really all it took to put those two together. So hopefully that's helpful. Thank you.